Then, okay, that's fine.
Smoke testing, right?
Yes, sir.
So when to go for smoke testing? Anyone?
Sir, as soon as the build is ready,
Hmm.
we can go for smoke testing.
Hmm.
As soon as the basic things and criteria are ready to test.
Yes.
What?
As soon as basic, and basic and regular
Critical,
criteria.
not criteria, critical.
Critical. Sorry, my bad.
Yes.
Critical. Sorry.
Okay. I have given 4 points, no?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Sir, 4 points of the advantages.
No. I have given 4 points when we should do smoke testing.
Oh, yes, sir. As soon as we get the build, we should do smoke testing. When developer give the build to the customer, chances are their developer might miss to copy few of the files. So customer will do smoke testing to check whether files are copied properly and build
Yep.
software is installed properly or not. Third is release engineer. Build engineer will do smoke testing to check whether build or software is installed properly into testing server and production server. And the fourth one is developer will do smoke testing after doing white box testing before giving build software to test engineer.
Yes.
Yep.
So smoke testing is also called as sanity testing. Okay. Skim testing, dry run testing, health checkup of the product, build verification testing. Okay. These are the other names. There are many names, few companies will do it as a high level testing.
Okay.
So any name, we will call it as a smoke testing only. Basic and critical features we will test. Okay.
These are the old
So,
names for smoke testing
yeah,
as well.
yeah. All the other names. These are the other names. Very important. You should keep in your mind. Smoke testing
Yep.
is also called as positive testing. So no.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Why it's called as positive testing? I will give you a simple example. When baby born, when there is a baby is born. Okay, small baby, kid.
Yes, sir.
Born means small, no?
Hmm.
Software also,
Hmm.
developer written the code, done white box testing, compiled, compressed, and is given the software. It means software is newly born, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So as soon as the baby is born, the mom will give the milk. Okay, or something called as some Cerlac or something we will get.
Right.
I don't know what you will call in your language. I mean, in America, something.
Yeah.
It is a food which we used to feed for the babies.
Hmm.
Baby became 1 year old.
Hmm.
You will start giving him some rice or something.
Hmm.
Baby became 2 years old. You are eating biryani, it will also start eating biryani.
Hmm.
Got it? It
Yes,
means this milk is the thing, or this whatever Cerelac is the thing, which is very positive for the baby.
Hmm.
You have to feed only positive that time.
Hmm.
Why? Why? Because it is born.
Hmm.
Can you feed biryani for the born baby?
No.
No.
Understood? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So biryani will be more spicy or something, so which will be negative.
Hmm.
Right.
So as soon as the software we got, always we should do the positive testing.
Okay.
According to the software, whatever the inputs is required,
Hmm.
according to the software,
Hmm.
whichever the inputs which looks like positive, it means according to the requirement, whatever the inputs are there, that we have to feed.
Yes, sir.
Until unless the software is became stable means 2 years, 4 years, 5 years.
Hmm.
Right.
As a baby I'm giving, so once the software is stable, then you can give both the negative inputs as well.
Hmm.
Right.
So it is called as positive testing. Smoke testing means positive testing. There will be no negative scenarios. Okay,
Yes.
one negative is also not called as smoke testing.
Smoke testing. Yes, sir.
Smoke testing is always a
Positive testing.
yes, is always a positive testing. Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now, how to do smoke testing? We will take basic and critical features.
Mm-hmm.
And we are taking basic and critical features. We will write 2 to 3 positive scenarios. What
Hmm.
scenarios?
Positive.
Positive scenarios.
So there are no test
This
case.
is how we will do the test case. See, scenario means it which includes test case as well.
Okay.
Keep in your
Yeah.
mind, if you are writing the test scenario, always test case.
Test case will be.
Everything will be a total body. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Got it.
So we will be taking a basic and critical features. What we are doing, we are writing 2 to 3 positive scenarios.
Correct.
This is very important note.
Okay.
Which testing is called as positive testing?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Testing,
Smoke testing.
smoke testing. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is also called as build verification testing.
Mm-hmm.
So can you tell why it is called as build verification testing? You guys know the answer.
Because developer will do smoke testing right after doing the white box testing and before giving the build to the software.
Build to the test engineers,
Test engineer or software engineer. Yeah.
not software engineer, test engineer. Developer is also a software engineer.
Correct.
Okay. So tell me, build verification and validation both done by whom?
Test engineer, sir.
Then Prerna,
Yeah.
why you are sitting simply?
Sir,
Verifying, who is verifying build? She is telling
test engineer, sir. Because
engineer.
during verification, the test engineer will write test scenario and test
Okay,
cases.
leave your VNP model.
Yes,
Build
sir.
verification testing is as soon as you get the build,
Mm-hmm.
you are
Yeah.
getting the software. As soon as you get the software or build,
Yeah.
you will
Hmm.
verify that whether the software is testable or not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Testable means again there should be any blocker or not.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
or
sir.
you are ensuring that there are no blocker defects in the software. Let's start. So the software is testable.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing, I'm verifying the software. There
Mm-hmm.
is no blocker defects. If you
Mm-hmm.
find any blocker defects, no, you cannot be testable. You can't test the software.
Mm-hmm.
But as soon as I get the build, I'm installing the build and I'm ensuring that there are no blocker defects.
Mm-hmm.
So I can do my further testing without any problem.
Yes.
So this is called as build verification testing.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Take the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 second, sir.
Yes, sir. Done.
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 Mm.
Yeah.
So now next question. How to do smoke testing? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Always say how to do functional, how to do integration, how to do system, how to do performance, how to do that testing. This testing means always it will be a scenarios and test cases. How?
Yes, sir.
Keep
Okay.
in your mind.
Mm.
Yeah.
So let me take an example of customer. I'm taking Gmail every time. You can take anything. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Customer Google given the requirement for Gmail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the requirement we have, and the customer is given the requirement for BA. BA is converted CRS into SRS. Is given one copy to development team, one copy to testing team.
Mm-hmm.
Now in the testing team, first we should do the smoke testing. No, so
Yes, sir.
we have to collect all the
Mm.
modules.
Mm.
We'll give you an example. Collect all the modules means in the Gmail we have compose.
Mm-hmm.
So no,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
sign up, login,
Okay.
Mm.
inbox,
Mm.
send items, start, important, spam, hash, all mails, log out, attach. Okay,
Mm.
Yeah.
next draft. You guys used all these features?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Me too.
CC, BCC. Next, okay, let us continue from here now. CC, BCC. Next, let us take a reply, help, about us. Next, can you tell some more features?
I think you got them all.
Yeah.
Yeah. You got them all, sir.
I got them all.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Settings,
Sir,
promotions,
snoozed.
snoozed,
Yes, sir.
snoozed.
And then, sir, there is this tag of categories.
Oh, you can
Uh,
flag as well. Flag,
calendar,
flag email.
flag. Okay, now
Hmm.
you got it. etc, etc.
Yeah.
VIP. Yeah, there are so many.
There are many other also. If
Hmm.
you open the application, you can find many.
Oh,
Hmm.
So that is different story. Now
Hmm.
there are many features. As a test engineer, what we'll do, we'll collect all the modules. Okay.
Yes, sir.
There may be other modules as well. Assume in the etc. that is included. All the modules we have to collect.
Yes, sir.
Once after collecting that, okay, we have to
Hmm.
do smoke testing means there is a criteria that you have to plan before doing testing. See, developers are writing the code now, okay? The
Hmm.
parallelly what we are doing, we have to write the functional integration system scenarios.
Yes, sir.
Before that, we have to write the smoke scenarios as well.
Yes, sir.
So, features considered for smoke testing,
Hmm.
okay?
Yes, sir.
And feature not considered for smoke testing.
Hmm.
Means what, sir? Features considered for smoke testing means kya?
Meaning, what are the important components that we are going to
What
test
are the
first?
basic and critical features?
Yes, sir.
hmm.
Sir, no, Reena.
Yeah.
What are the basic and critical features? So basic and critical features, can I take compose as basic and critical feature?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can I take reply as a basic and critical feature? Without
Reply,
reply,
yes,
see
sir.
basic and critical feature means basic and critical feature means without that feature you can't use the software, or without that feature your software will feel empty. Your body
Yes,
is
sir.
there without
Right.
kidney, without liver, without heart, without
Yes,
lung,
sir.
Yeah.
without these important parts, no, you
Yes,
can't
sir.
survive. Without eyes, without nose, without ears, without legs, without hands, without fingers, you can
Hmm.
live.
Yes, sir.
So those are not a basic and critical. Basic
Yes, sir.
and critical means heart,
Parts.
lungs, liver, these things,
Yeah.
Yes,
kidneys.
sir.
That is what I will call it as a basic and critical. So compose is very important.
Mm-hmm.
So I will take it as a very important. Reply is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can I take
Yeah.
it as a basic or critical?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sure.
Sign
Yes,
up is. Yeah.
yes, sir.
Why? Why you are telling it is basic and critical?
Because, sir, we have to immediately respond to some mails also.
Okay. Okay. So okay, that is good. Next, there is something called a sign up.
Yeah. It's
Sign up is
basic.
very important or not?
It is
Yeah,
very
absolutely, sir.
Without sign up, can you do anything?
Nothing.
no.
No. Now, one more question is there. Since customer is given the requirement, okay, is
Hmm.
given the requirement yesterday, you guys used the Gmail for many years, so you guys are analyzing which is basic and which is critical feature.
Hmm.
Correct.
Yesterday given requirement, today only you have to find which is basic and critical.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, understood. So
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
what you can do is, if you have a very good domain knowledge,
Hmm.
okay,
Yes,
or
sir.
if you are a well experienced for some 8 to 10 years in this field, testing field,
Hmm.
or you
Right.
already tested similar kind of softwares,
Hmm.
then you will be having idea, or else you need to ask your seniors.
Hmm.
Understanding, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Seniors means who? Senior engineers, junior
Yeah.
engineers or your leads or managers, them you have to ask. Okay. So
Yes.
Yeah.
compose reply sign up is, I can tell, very important feature, but help is there, no? I will not
Hmm.
consider help as a very important feature because without help
Hmm.
we can use the application as now whatever applications we are using, no?
Yes, sir.
Without help only we are using. Daily you are going and checking the help bar. No, right?
No.
Understood. Next, sign
Yeah.
up help is done. Next, login.
Hmm.
Login is basic and critical. Without login,
Hmm.
you can't use any application. No.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, about us. About us is very important.
No, sir.
You going and learning what is Google, what is Gmail, and all.
Hmm.
You are studying in about us. Nobody will study.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yep.
Next, login is done.
Yep.
Inbox. Inbox
Hmm.
you will text.
Yeah. It is
Yes, sir.
important.
Yes or no? Whatever the mails you have sent, that should be
It is
present here.
important. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Settings.
No,
Will you
sir.
check?
Settings. No.
Huh? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
Why no? See, without a settings, no, you can't use any application as well. All the options is depending upon my settings. Got it? So privacy policies are there, some settings are there. Okay, you want to send some documentations as a what I can tell, confidential documents or some mail, some meetings you have to schedule, you have to do the time changes
Correct.
from IST to EST or something like that, no?
Mm-hmm.
Or anything
Mm-hmm.
very important when it comes to settings. Settings will be always remains. See, if you take any application, Gmail as well, until unless the application is comfortable for you to use, you will go
Hmm.
to the settings and you will do the changes. Later
Hmm.
only when you are comfortable, later only you will go for the normal features to use. Before that, you will do some settings, no?
Hmm.
As
Yes,
a
sir.
Yeah.
user, as a
Yeah.
user, settings is also very important for him. So I will
Hmm.
consider it as a basic and critical feature.
Hmm.
Next, I will take sent items. Sent items is very important. Huh?
Hmm.
Yeah. It is.
Print items.
Very important. Huh? You have to tell whatever I am writing this side, you are considering
No,
whatever
sir.
you are writing this side, not like that. Okay, think.
Okay.
No. No. No.
Sent
Not like that.
items.
Yeah. Because send item means whatever you send to the other
Yes,
side.
very
It's
important.
very
Now,
important for us.
I already explained you scenario.
Yes,
I
sir.
have sent an important document for the customer or the developer. Is telling I have
Hmm.
not received it.
Yes, sir.
Until I have a proof of the mail which is present in my sent items. No,
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I've sent a confidential document or I shared one of the coupon code which cost $1 lakh. That
Mm-hmm.
fellow is already withdraw the money and he's
Hmm.
telling that I did not receive any whatever the coupon code or something. Got
Mm-hmm.
it? It means
Yes,
it
sir.
is always a proof. Humanity is there, no?
Hmm.
Humanity.
Yeah.
Previously, if you take some 50 years ago, there was something called as trust. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Later, trust day by day gone. Now proof came to picture.
Hmm.
Lawyers will always check for proofs.
Yes, sir.
Police will check for proof,
Hmm.
Correct.
not for trust.
Hmm.
Correct.
But God will check for the trust, not for the proof.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yeah.
you should be trustworthy, not proof worthy.
Hmm.
No need of proving that you are loving your husband or kids. Got it?
Yeah.
So proofing relationships is not a relationship. I will tell. It is a business. Trusting relationship is real love. Got it? No. So
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
nowadays, sent items is a proof
Hmm.
that I have shared. Humanity, no, everything, everyone is depending upon proof, so it is very important now.
Yes, sir.
Promotions. Have you guys done any promotions?
Yes, sir. We
What
have
is
seen it in
promotion?
the
Yeah,
You have
in the
Gmail.
oh, but what you used that promotions, huh?
No,
I
no,
never
sir.
used.
No.
Nobody used, I think. Like how you are, if you take your WhatsApp, no, some community they have given. What is community till today? I don't know.
Yes, sir.
You guys are using community, na?
Yes, sir.
What is community?
We we have seen it, sir, but I have also
Yeah,
never used what it
yeah.
is. Yeah.
Kachada feature they have given. No,
Yeah.
rid of worry. Okay. Now
Yeah.
sent items is there. Promotions is there. Next start. Start is important. Huh? Without start, you will not be able to use your application. So
You can use the
start
application.
Can
you can
use, sir.
use. So
Yeah.
start is
Yeah,
not a basic feature.
Yeah.
yeah,
But if you go and open your Gmail, you have made some mails as start.
yeah,
Yes, sir.
It means you are getting daily thousands of mails where some important mails you got offer letter, no?
Yes, sir.
What you will do? You got
Star it.
some medical report you got. What you will do? You
Star
got
it.
some
yeah.
check or something, coupon code, very important. Whatever you are feeling as important, no? That
Yes, sir.
is, I can call it as a critical.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So start I will consider as a basic or critical only.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Important is there, important.
Yes, sir.
Since the functionality of start and important both are same. If you select a mail and make it as important, it will become important mail and you can find that in a important. Similarly, if you made it as a start will be present, you can make it as a start. Got it? Both
Correct.
work in the same manner, so I'm not considering important as a basic or critical feature. So
So
sent
then,
items promotions is done.
no,
Start.
flag is the same thing, right, sir?
Huh?
Flag.
Flag is also similar. So
Yeah,
let us
it's the
go one
same.
by one. Okay. So sent items promotion start snoozed. You are using any snoozed? Snoozed.
Yeah,
I don't use, sir.
Nobody
but
will
we
use
use
snoozed.
in but in a phone, but not in the email.
Yeah, we will use alarm snoozed. If I
Yeah.
want to
Yeah,
sleep another 10 minutes extra, I will do snoozed.
Yeah.
But
yep,
alarm is different application. Mail is
yep.
different application. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So important I have considered as a not a basic and critical feature. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, a flag is there. Flag. As she told, a flag is also same thing. If you are make it as a flag, then it will notify as a flag. So that is also not basic and critical. Next, spam is there. Spam is very important. Few times they will tell check your spam messages where you will get the mails. Some important mails or some unknown mails, I can tell, will go on store in the spam. It means unknown mails. I want to offer you a interview. You applied in LinkedIn. What I will do, I will send you a interview invitation via mail. So my Gmail will consider me as an unknown person.
Correct.
So my mails will go and store in a spam. It is your responsibility to check in a spam. Because I'm a new user, I'm sharing you. Assume if I called you, there is an interview, Prerna, you have to attend this. I am sending a mail. That time you will go and check in your inbox. Also, you will check in a spam.
Yes, sir.
But few companies will not call. But still, you have to go to spam and you have to check daily. Inbox and spam remain safe until unless you will get the job. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
next, trash is there. Trash.
Yes,
Very
sir.
important. Huh?
No,
Why no or why yes?
because trust is,
Not
email
trash,
that
it's spam.
not, huh?
Spam is no okay, trash.
Stress, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, because that email is not that important, we put it in the trash, right? So it's not that
That
whole
filter
application is
is not a basic or critical initially. Okay.
true.
Next, all mails.
That's important.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Next,
Log out.
logout is important, no?
Yes, sir.
It is very important.
Very important. Okay. Next, attach is important.
Attach. Yes, sir.
Very important.
Yeah.
Draft is important. Now, drafts, if you want to send a mail to HR where
Yes, sir.
you have composed complete mail, but you are not finding the attachment. So what you
Yes,
will
sir.
do, you will come back to your file manager, you will search and you will keep it, or you will get to know where you have stored. Later you will
Yes, sir.
go to the mail. That time, whatever you have written the mail, no pages of mail, it is gone.
Yes, sir.
So very important draft. If you cancel the mail, it will go and store in the draft. It is very important as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So CC, carbon copy is important.
It is important.
And what about BCC?
Important.
What important? Are you keeping BCC daily?
No,
Not
sir.
keeping, yeah, not keeping, but
Yeah. No, we are not
not as
regularly using. Okay, not
yeah,
regularly
not
using. Leave.
important as
Okay. So now I segregated which features considered as a basic and critical, or features considered for the smoke testing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So features not considered for the smoke testing.
Yes, sir.
So as I given a note previously,
Hmm.
we have to segregate a few features. I mean, what are the features which is basic and critical?
Hmm.
Okay.
Mhm.
And later we have to write some scenarios. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I have given you 2 to 3 scenarios.
Hmm.
2 to 3 scenarios for each and every feature. Hey,
Okay.
previously I have done no. When
Yes,
I
sir.
started
Yeah,
the class, I
yeah,
have given you note point.
yeah.
We
Yes,
have to
sir.
We
write
have.
2 to 3 scenarios.
Yes.
Mhm.
So now compose is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you only generally think first to check that, then user click on, click means what? Click only.
Okay.
Click on compose button. What should display? Compose pop
Page.
up
Okay.
should be display, or pop up a page. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm telling you understood? Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So I will go to my mail. Okay, there is compose here. Compose button. I clicked on compose buttons here.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Pop-up is displayed, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can tell this is functional testing. Click and something is displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But here I'm considering it as a smoke testing.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
basic and critical features, whatever it is there, I'm considering it as a smoke always. I'm not calling it as a functional or
Functional
integrated.
test. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, login to which application? Gmail as user A. Compose a mail. It means all positive inputs you have to give
Correct.
and send the mail. Okay.
Yes, sir.
navigate to there, send items, check whether the mail is
There.
displayed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What I'm telling here,
Positive scenarios.
positive, which scenario it is?
Gmail scenarios.
No, what type of scenario? Hey, this is which scenario? Second scenario. First scenario I told it is.
Oh, sir, integration.
Smoke
Huh?
Integration
Smoke
test.
testing.
Smoke
Of smoke
testing only. But which scenario I have written?
Integration, sir.
Integration, yeah.
What integration? Can you tell what do you mean by integration testing?
Sir, flow of data from one module to another module.
One
To
module
check.
to another module. So
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
log into Gmail, compose a mail. Mail is a data I have composed and send the mail. Navigate to sent items, check whether the mail is displayed. I am sent a mail and I am checking the mail is displayed.
Yes, sir.
This is integration only, but what I am doing here, I am checking the basic and critical features. Got it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So since I have checked, I have sent the mail. I should receive that mail in my inbox as well, no? So
Right.
Yes, sir.
I will write the scenario, log in to Gmail, send the mail to user B and compose a mail and send a mail to user B. Okay. And log out as user A, log in as user B, go to or navigate, go to inbox, check whether user A mail is displayed.
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
English, normal you English only, no need of writing any coding here.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Baby born. Baby born means compose is born.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I have done? I have
Compose.
just composed something.
Yeah.
I clicked on it, it is working. I checked the breath of the baby, baby is okay. Okay, later I am
Yes.
singing a song, it is listening.
Okay.
I am feeding a milk, it is drinking. Means okay, baby is good.
Yes, sir.
No need of throwing a baby or no need of feeding a baby with biryani or alcohol. You understood? Huh? So baby
Yes, sir.
is born, baby is okay enough. So my smoke testing is done.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
For which feature?
For
For
compose.
compose. Now I will go for reply. Okay. Second
Yes, sir.
scenario, I will go for reply. Okay. Already
Yes.
we have a mail in the sent items or inbox. Anything you can reply. Okay. Open Gmail. Go to inbox. Select a mail. Click on reply. Check whether mail reply page is displayed. It will show something called as reply. So let me take an example. I'll go here. There will be something called as reply. See here. Click on
Yes, sir.
reply. See reply pop-up is displayed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, done. This is basic functional scenario I'm doing.
Yes, sir.
Done now.
Yes, sir.
That is one scenario. Later what I will do, I will reply to mail. I will reply to the mail. I will send. After sending, I will go to my sent items. I will check. I will check whether the mail is sent.
Yes, sir.
Notice the reply is sent.
Yes,
Reply
sir.
is also a baby of compose, I can tell. Or submodule, similar module for the compose.
Yes, sir.
Understanding? No.
Yeah.
So after replying, I will log out as user A, I will log in as user B, I will go to his inbox
Hmm.
and I will check again.
Yes, sir.
A understanding no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So compose is done, reply is done. Next sign up. What I'll do? Click on sign up button. Sign up page
Hmm.
should be displayed.
Hmm.
Correct? Huh?
Yes,
I
sir.
will enter all the values, positive values in the sign up page.
Hmm.
Okay. I will click on sign up button.
Hmm.
Account created. Confirmation message should display.
Hmm.
Sign up means what? You are creating account.
Yes, sir.
Account. Yeah.
So account created. Confirmation message should display.
Yes, sir.
But still, I will not agree account created or not. What I will do, I will open the login page. I will enter username and password. Click on login button.
Hmm.
Home page should be displayed. It means I can tell my sign up is working fine.
Hmm.
Parallelly, I have tested my login as well.
Yes, sir.
Login का मतलब क्या है?
Sir, once.
Username, password. If I enter,
And
if I click
password.
on login button, it should
Yes, sir.
navigate me to the home page. Both I have tested. No,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
got it now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Inbox, whatever it is there, inbox is already tested here. The mail
Hmm.
should go on present in inbox.
Hmm.
Done. Getting no.
Yes,
Go
sir.
to settings.
Yeah.
There will be some options. Very important. Check it. Sent items already tested. Sent items here.
Yes, sir.
You got it. No. No need of
Yes, sir.
again writing the scenarios. You already
Hmm.
tested. Now go to
Correct.
start. It is not like you are showing the proof. A developer or a company see here. Again I am writing. Again I am writing. I'm a donkey. Dekho मैं donkey who. Like that I'm not doing. Hey boss, I'm already tested. Go. I have
Okay.
considered and also I'm tested. Here also I have tested. Reply also I have tested. No. In reply also I have tested the similar kind of scenarios only.
Yes, sir.
One is reply button, later reply and go to sent items check, reply and go to inbox of user B and check. Reena, are you understanding?
Yeah.
So similarly, start. I am not tested as of now. So select a mail, open Gmail, select a mail, make it as start. Go to start, check whether the mail is displayed. Yes,
Hmm.
obviously it will display. If it is not displayed, it's a blocker defect. Blank page
Yes,
is
sir.
displayed. First day itself, you find a blocker defect, communicate to developer. Developer get the sufficient time. He need 2 days to fix the defect. Is we fixed the defect.
Yes,
No
sir.
worries. Got it, no?
Yes, sir.
You clicked on spam or you clicked on directly compose. It went for the blank page.
Yes, sir.
Without compose, I will tell there is no other feature will be active.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Main feature is compose. Without any mail in your Gmail, without composing any mail, nothing will work. All the things are depending upon compose only.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I can tell. Got it. So basic and critical you are understanding, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Compose is there. Sign up is not working. Without sign up, can I go for the compose?
No, sir.
Sign
No.
up compose is there. Login is not working. Without login, can I go for compose?
No, sir.
Compose
No.
is there. Inbox and sent items not working. So see here, what each and every feature is interlinked.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one
Yeah.
is working, another is not working is useless. Each and everything should work.
Yes, sir.
Crash or BCC, this and all help. Are you want to test immediately as soon as you get the build? No, I will
No.
test it later by these
Hmm.
things. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this is how I will do the smoke testing for my Gmail. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Yeah.
Got the clarity?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now write it in your book. Directly write it. No need of taking the screenshot. Leave some space for the screenshot which you have taken previously. Now write it. I will give you 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Write.
Okay.
If possible, write the scenarios for reply as well. And see, you guys already know how to write the scenarios, so I'm not writing for everything. It is your responsibility. Leave the space and you have to complete the scenarios. This is assignment for you guys. At least minimum 2 to 3 scenarios for each and
On
every.
each
Either
and
it
every.
is smoke functional or integration. But I will not call it as a functional or integration. What I will call? I will call it as a
Smoke
smoke
testing.
directly.
Okay. So right now you want
Yeah.
us to write
Yes.
the whole screen or just
Whole screen.
three scenarios?
This is very
Okay.
important, no? Because collecting the
Yeah.
modules from here, smoke testing will start. Not only scenarios.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
table is also a preparation, pre scenario or or what I can tell is I will call something that I will tell you later. Precondition. Okay.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Hello. Hello.
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. So done?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now take an example. This is an assignment for you guys.
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp, Amazon, Uber. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to collect the total 30 features. Okay. And first collection of all the features I told no. You should
Mm-hmm.
collect all the features, total features. Later what you have to do? You have to decide which is basic and critical, which is not a basic and critical.
Okay, sir.
So based on that, you have to again decide.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to write minimum 2 to 3 scenarios.
Okay, sir.
It means if you take 30, at least 10 to 15, 10 features at least, it will be a basic and critical. So 10 into 10 into 3, 30, 30 into 3,
Mm-hmm.
90 scenarios you have to write.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
The dead end of this will be, next class will be immediately it will happen. After the net class you will get some time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not the immediate class, for the next class, second class, you have to show me.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what I can tell. Smoke testing. If you want many examples, you have to do presentation, and you need to get many doubts. Okay, by yourself. I'm ready to clear at any time.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So WhatsApp, Amazon, and Uber, we have
Yep.
to write total 30 features, right? So
Yes. The 30 features, around 10
on
features will
each,
be basic and critical. You have to segregate which is under the smoke, which is not under the smoke.
okay.
Got it?
So 30 features for each, application.
Yeah, the Amazon 30 features you have to check. Use application
Okay.
and get it. You Uber also same.
Okay.
And also WhatsApp.
Okay.
So in the 30 features, consider some 10 to 12 as a basic and critical. You will understand when you are segregating,
Yeah.
no, you will
Yeah, yeah,
find
yeah.
so many difficulties. So find it.
Yes,
Later
sir.
for those, write the scenarios. How many? 2 to 3.
Okay, sir.
Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Very good. So now
All,
let us, yeah.
yeah, 2 to 3, right? Anyway, smoke test is the
Hmm.
positive scenarios. Okay,
Hmm.
got it.
So now let us go to the next concept. Why we have to do the smoke testing?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
क्यों हम स्मोक टेस्टिंग करना है? करेक्ट?
Hmm. Yes, sir.
क्यों? बोलो. So I will tell. First thing I can tell, the software is testable or not.
Hmm.
Testable or not means what developer written the code, done white box testing, given the software for us. As soon as you get the software, you install the software. After installing the software, you are
Hmm.
doing smoke testing to check the basic and critical features are working fine or not.
Yes, sir.
If it is working, yes, it is testable.
Hmm.
Got it?
Yes,
Testable
sir.
means kya? You can do functional testing, integration testing, and system testing. Got
Yes,
it?
sir.
So I'm
Yeah.
not blocking anywhere. It is testable. Or
Hmm.
not, क्या मतलब क्या है? Smoke testing is failed. The features are not working fine.
Hmm.
It is not a testable.
Yes,
When
sir.
I'm deciding by doing my smoke testing. So why you have to do the smoke testing means I need to ensure whether my software is testable or not. So I have to do the smoke testing. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Next, why I have to do the smoke testing means I can tell on the first day itself if you find any blocker defects. Okay. If you find any blocker defects on the first day, no,
Yeah.
Hmm.
In
you will
Yes,
early
sir.
stage.
communicate that to the developers. So developer will get the sufficient time to fix the defect.
Hmm.
Correct.
So your test cycle will not get postponed. Your release will also not get postponed.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
So can I tell this is why I am doing the smoke testing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we can tell, your release engineer is not there in your company. As a test engineer, you should install the software into the server.
Hmm.
As soon as you install the software into the server, you have executed the first smoke scenario.
Hmm.
Okay. As soon as you executed the smoke scenario, you got a blank page. If you are clicking on any feature, it is showing a blank page.
Hmm.
Blank page, blank page. That time you understood that there is some problem with the installation.
Hmm.
Installation not happened properly.
Hmm.
Or the same story I will tell in a different way. As soon as I install the software, I will do smoke testing. Ensure that the build is installed properly. Got it? If the build is installed properly, then only I can do my testing. No,
Hmm.
smoke
Yes.
testing is ensuring me that the build is installed properly.
Hmm.
So next one is, let me take one example. You found a defect,
Mhm.
communicated to the developer. Okay,
Hmm.
developer is fixed the defect. Here he is not doing any changes or any new feature is implementing. Okay,
Yes,
developer
sir.
is fixed the defect. If you take sign up, login, compose, inbox, sent items, for each and every module there are many data flows, right?
Correct.
Hmm.
So fixing a defect in inbox, it might affect on other modules as well.
Hmm.
So I have fixed the defect in the compose. chances are there that defect may affect my other modules as well. So what I will do, I will do the smoke testing after fixing the defect.
Yes, sir.
Developer is fixing the defect means obviously is doing some code changes.
Yes, sir.
So there might affect the old basic features. It might affect my old features. So what I will do, I will do the smoke testing
Mm-hmm.
to find there are no blocker defects are present.
Mm-hmm.
And it is called as health checkup of the product.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean by health checkup of the product? What do you mean by health checkup?
Sir, making sure every organ is working properly.
Making sure that every feature, not organ.
Yeah.
Human means organ. Uh, uh, feature means application. Okay.
Yes.
I'm
Correct.
making sure that all the basic and critical features are working properly.
Mm-hmm.
So it is called as health checkup of the product.
Yes, sir.
And it is called as build verification testing.
Correct.
I'm verifying the build is testable or not again. Got it?
Mm.
I mean, I'm giving you many points so that it will be easy for you to generate at least 5 to 6 points in the interview.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So always before doing FT,
Mm-hmm.
IT, ST, it means what?
System testing.
System
System
testing.
testing.
It's better if you do the smoke testing. You will get
Mm.
the confidence that I want to go for a trip. What you will do? You will go to Google and you will check for the weather conditions. No,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
you said some cyclone is coming, sir. It is very effective, sir.
Mm.
It means what? Some changes is happened in the environment that they have done. They have checked smoke testing. They have done.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
But see, sometimes it will happen 100%. Sometimes it will not at all happen.
Correct.
Mm.
But still, they have given us some clue that something may happen. So you have
Yes, sir.
taken some precautions. You are already planned a trip. What you will do? You will take the raincoat or some jackets, and but still you will go for the trip.
Mm.
Got it? No, like
Yes,
that.
sir.
Yeah.
So if you want
Yeah.
to go for a trip, like smoke functional integration, not smoke functional integration system, you have to do the smoke testing first.
Yes, sir.
Later, you have to go for the other testings. That is what I'm telling. Okay, these are
Yes.
few points. Let me tell once again. You have to do the smoke testing to check whether the software is testable or not. And testable or not means again, developer written the code, done white box testing, compiled, compressed, and is given you a software. And you have doing the smoke testing, executed the smoke scenario. You understood that there is a blocker defect, so you cannot do the testing. There
Yes,
is
sir.
no blocker defect, so you can testable.
Correct.
You got the confidence. First one. Next, if you are doing smoke testing means then the software is installed properly. You are checking whether the software is installed properly or not by doing what? Smoke testing. So
Correct.
developer is fixing a defect means what is the meaning? Obviously, is changed some code. Chances are that changing the code might affect my features, which is already tested.
Mm.
So chances are there again some blocker defects might introduce in my features. But
Mm.
what I'll do, as soon as they fix the defect, I'll do the smoke testing to ensure that there are no features like that which is affected
Mm.
by fixing the defect. It is called as health checkup of the product. It is called as build verification of the product. And
Mm.
before doing smoke functional integration testing, you have to do the
Smoke
smoke
test.
testing. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the few points you have to tell why we should do the smoke testing.
Yes, sir.
Got
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So here it is the answer to check whether the software is testable or not. Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's very important again. And why? For that there is some explanation. And these are the interview questions. Let me write it later. Okay. Next, see, first itself, this is the second point. If you are doing smoke testing, you communicate to developer. Developer gets sufficient time to fix the defect. We are doing smoke testing means indirectly we are ensuring the build is installed properly. Developer is giving a build. He will be doing some code changes, and this might affect old basic critical features. So in order to avoid that, we should do the smoke testing. It is like a health checkup of the product, and it is like a build verification of the product. Build verification means what? The build is broken or not. Broken means there is a defect or not. We can check.
Yes.
Got it? We take the
Yes.
Yeah.
screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let us see some note points. Why smoke testing is called as confident testing. Okay. You can
Yes.
add,
Okay.
this is also a other name, confident testing.
Okay. Okay. Let me.
As soon as we get the build, when we do the smoke testing, if there are no blocker defects, means the test engineer get the confidence. See, there is no defects means obviously I'm getting a confidence that okay,
Yes.
I can do the further testings, the test. So first day itself, if you get to know the product is not eligible for doing the testing. So as a test engineer, how will you spend your time? Tell me. As soon as you found a blocker defect in the first day, I explained you the diagram. No, initially
Yes,
first
sir.
day itself, if you find a blocker defect, you communicate it to developer. Developer got the sufficient time to fix the defect.
Yes,
But
sir.
as a test engineer, what is your duty? You don't have any job to do, no. So that time,
Yeah.
what you will do? Sir, I will just roam in the office, sir. Yes.
No.
Then what you will do? Some HR activities I will do, sir. HR activities you will do, what? Tell me what you will do.
Sir, we will write the test scenario and test cases for the
Very
other
good.
modules.
So we'll document the scenarios and write
Yes.
the test cases for the scenarios
Scenarios.
for
For
the
the
upcoming features,
upcoming mod features, sir. Yes.
for the new modules and features.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. So types of smoke testing तो है. Okay, smoke testing automation. Where it is called as smoke testing. Okay. Difference between smoke and sanity. Okay, let us go one by one now.
Okay.
So this is what you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So next, let us go with the. So today we have done types of smoke testing. Why we should do smoke testing? How we should do smoke testing? Let us learn now types. There are two types. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Formal smoke testing. Informal smoke testing.
Yes, sir.
Very easy. What do you mean by formal and informal? English word.
Formal means professional.
Professional, very good. This is
Informal
not
is
a
not
professional.
professional.
Yes, very good. So let us see formal smoke testing. Developer will give the build to test engineers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Developer is given the software to the testing team.
Mm-hmm.
So test lead will install, or anybody. Development lead can also install, or release engineer can also install the software and inform other test engineers to do the smoke testing. Okay,
Yes.
what they will do? They will tell other test engineers to do the smoke testing.
Hmm.
So what test engineers will do? Already they have written the scenarios. No,
Hmm.
they will make a documentation where what test scenarios they have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. How many scenarios they have written? They will make a column.
Mm-hmm.
They will check. Okay, this is pass. First scenario pass. Second scenario failed. Third scenario pass. Fourth
Correct.
scenario pass. Fifth scenario pass. Like that. They will execute all the scenarios and they will do the documentation.
Hmm.
Later, they will send this document. Once after the smoke testing is done, they will send this documentation to the test lead. Test lead will take this document to the development lead and he will explain these many features are working, these many features are not working. They will do some meeting and they will discuss.
Okay.
All the things will go in a formal way, so it is called as formal smoke testing.
Okay.
Okay.
So informal smoke testing means developer will give the build and test lead will install the build.
Hmm.
After installing the build, he will not inform anything
Hmm.
in the company. It means he's not telling anything to us to do. As a company, as a test engineer, I know I will do the smoke testing. As soon
Okay.
as the software is installed, now what testing I have to do? I have to do the smoke testing only. I will not do any documentation.
Hmm.
If the defect is failed, no, what I'll do? If the test case is failed, what I'll do? I will log into defect tracking tool and I will prepare a defect report and I will communicate to the developer. That is a normal process that I will follow. Here I am not doing any documentation separately.
Hmm.
Okay. And I will not give
Yeah.
any document to my lead. And there will be no discussion between the development lead.
Hmm.
Directly a test engineer developer are doing.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm doing the smoke testing.
Okay.
This is what we'll call it as the informal smoke testing.
Okay, sir.
In my previous company, I was doing formal. Now I'm doing informal because you know there is no need of every time going with the lead. I'm directly speaking with the developer and I'm doing that.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay.
No need of
Yes.
Yeah.
every time go explain him, prepare report. Report preparation and all will take time. But still, that is a formal way, standard
Mm-hmm.
way. But this
Okay.
is not a standard way, but still, we are
Mm-hmm.
doing smoke testing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So let us see whether notes we have for that. Yeah, we have. So types of smoke testing. So some documentation you just write down. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Apa? Oh, okay, got
Yes,
it.
sir.
Now take the
Yeah.
screenshot. This is just a diagram.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
Yeah.
So what is the time over there?
Sir, 9:24.
How would they have in decreased 1 hour?
Sir, here twice a year, sir. When the winter comes, during winter time, the clock goes behind by 1 hour. When the summer comes, the clock goes ahead in 1 hour. So now it is like November 3rd onwards, they again like moved back the clock, sir. So two times in a year, that change and shift happens. That
Mm-hmm.
change in the time
But 1
happens.
hour extra you have to work.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, yearly 1 hour extra production means extra money you will get. So extra
Oh,
GDP will grow, extra value for the dollars.
wow.
Huh?
That's good to know, sir.
We will also plan. We'll speak with Modi and we'll tell. One day behind we will go.
Yes, sir. Good idea.
1 day profit if we get no.
Yes, sir.
Obviously we can map with somehow now it is 85 rupees. We can make it
Hmm.
for 65 or 70 rupees for per dollar. 1 day if India
Oh,
works
wow.
properly. Then
That much
you
difference.
guys are taking every year one hour behind and you are making this to happen, no?
Yes,
This
sir.
idea only we are not getting.
Hmm.
So let me discuss this with Modi.
Sure, sir.
Sure, huh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So this much is enough, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You
Okay.
guys just write the scenarios, do
Hmm.
presentations more and more and more.
Yes,
Very
sir.
important. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think